I told you, your uncle is no hero.
I can't stop.
Shit about all the collateral you caused then. Now all of a sudden you care?
You couldn't care less about your African roots. You know it, and she knows it, and frankly, Africa knows it.
You spent so much time wearing that stupid-ass black power suit, pretending to give a shit. Something stuck.
Your saves were never real. You never actually saved anyone.
Get the fuck out of my house! I don't want a murderer in the same house with my kid!
I would have blasted the shit out of you, and you would have deserved it.
Yeah, I agree. You got a choice, son. Either outrun this life, or you can run yourself into an early grave.
It's fucked up. Seeing somebody that you love get hurt like
Somebody died, somebody go to jail.
I'm fucking sorry, Huey.
When I carried your ass to the ER, there was a kid there, looking at me like I was a hero. That felt better than anything that I'd ever done at all. Cause for once, I didn't hate myself.